So glad you came today. Welcome to Saleema's Healing Kitchen. I am Saleema, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty vegan sandwich. Fast, easy, and as I said, tasty. In addition to this sandwich, I'm going to show you how to make a fast black seed dressing. So let's begin. I'm going to start with putting the grape seed dressing on a slice of bread. And start with that. And don't want to put too much. Make it nice and even. Okay, now after we do that, on the other slice, I'm going to add the black seed dressing. Now what I did with this was I put avocado oil, this is sherry vinegar, and some tamari sauce. And I spread that on the other slice of bread. Black seeds are extremely healthy, very good for inflammation, good for your skin, high in fiber. So I'm going to spread that on the other slice of bread. I meant to say also that I use the Ezekiel bread because it's made with grains, sprouted grains. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is spread the avocado on a slice of the bread, one slice of bread. This is really what I call a watercress sandwich because we have more watercress on this sandwich than anything. And watercress, if any of you have ever tasted, those who like it, oh my God, it's a peppery taste. Really good, really spicy and peppery. But okay, so I'm going to spread the avocado. I just cut it up and spread it on your sandwich like that, on your bread like that. And then I'm going to take, this is the watercress, and this is how it looks. So pretty. See? And I just eat it like, it's like that. And then I went to farmer's market and I got two wonderful, I ate the other one which was purple, but I really like the heirloom tomatoes because they're rich in flavor and they come in different colors. And then to top that, I put a little bit of Himalayan salt on our tomatoes. Now you can add red onions. Be creative with this. Press it. I'm going to cut it. Hope it comes out even. Oops, 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 oops. Let's see. I'm a stickler for presentation. I love it when my food looks pretty and it tastes good as well. Well, here we go. And what I did is I sliced celery, olives, and this is our sandwich. You can put red peppers, green peppers, the peppers on a plate, just decorate it, and there you have it. Saleema's Healing Kitchen. Watercress, avocado, sandwich. Enjoy. Now what I'd like you to do, if you so see fit, is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Name is Saleema Curtis, and so glad that you came to my kitchen. And I am looking forward to doing lots of recipes and also to some lectures. Okay? Have a good one now. Thanks again. See you later.